All right, here's the plan. Just showed up to the hangar. We're gonna be flying from Deer Valley all the way up to LAX, Los Angeles, one of the busiest airports in the world, to then go play one of the worst rated golf courses in all of California, Links at Victoria Golf Course. We've heard it's the worst. Everybody has told us it's the worst. We've seen the reviews. We have to go check it out and play it for you guys. So hop on board and let's fly Airways to Fairways.
Yeah, Alpha Bravo 3 to 7 right. Right turn's coming. All right, let's go before takeoff. Checklist. We'll take off. Flaps. Dean, set. Speed brake. Stow. Trims. Are set 1, 2, and 3 times.
Anti-ice, de-ice. I'm switching to COM 1.
Roger.
Takeoff. Sun right, Charlie 2, clear for takeoff. We'll climb fast, 125, double takeoff.
That's a 137
Crew brief.
approved.
This will be 7 right takeoff.
That's a 137 report the Falcon.
We'll abort anything prior to V1. Master, failure to fly, engine fire. After V1, we're going to take it to the air. We are a little heavy, so we'll burn some fuel. Come back here, probably actually head over to Phoenix Sky Harbor. We are going to LAX today on the Deer Valley 3 obstacle departure. We've already briefed it. Know what you're doing. We are heading takeoff mode, flying up to 5,000, and 1520 is a good squad.
1520 is a great squad. 1527.
1527.
18.4, 20.7 for departure. Sounds good.
Awesome. Questions, comments, concerns?
No questions, comments.
Sun 137 has departing traffic.
Lovely. We're holding short here. 7 right.
137, roger.
Slow down the speed for 1 Mike Alpha.
So 142, sorry to do this to you, but I got to get this citation out from Bravo 3 that has to go to LAX. Go around, remain out above 2,500 for now.
Go around and maintain 2,500. 2,500 Arizona 42.
Sustain Echo Romeo, cancel land plans for now. Runway 7 right, continue traffic holding in position. Citation will be departing prior to arrival. Reporting site 1 able from Charlie, correction Bravo 3.
Continuing, reporting the citation and when we have it, 8 Echo Romeo.
Citation 560 Papa Bravo to about runway 7 right, Bravo 3, line up on way traffic, 2 mile final. Archer is going to go around, and there's a assessment on a 3 mile final.
7 right, Bravo 3, line up and wait. Still Papa.
Alright, I got the traffic on the left.
Yeah, I see this guy on the right.
Okay, watch your knees and nuts.
Good eyes, Harrison, 488, 12 miles west.
And we'll go lights.
Like to get a full stop turn.
That's on 488 about tower, make a right 360.
Right 360,
Good.
48.
I see 7 right.
I see 7 right.
7 offset right of the Santa Center.
Correct.
Continue straight out.
Offset right, Aviator 7, continue straight out. We're going to go back to Scottsdale.
Aviator 7 right, turn on course for
Turn on course for Aviator 7.
citation 560 Papa Bravo Cessna just went around off 7 left, and there's a Seminole about a mile and a half upwind. They're offsetting to the right, runway 7 right at Charlie, correction Bravo 3, clear for takeoff, so just leaving 3,000 before making the turn.
Traffic in sight, clear for takeoff 7 right, 3,000, then stop making turn 0, Papa Bravo, thanks.
Aviator 7 right, turn on course for the
Appreciate it, guys.
Turn on course for
Power set.
Aviator 7.
That's a 142.
Power set. Just gonna play golf.
You begin an early right crosswind now.
Turn early,
Catch me live.
142.
Alpha, make a left turn, proceed to finals.
18 knots.
That's a 142, you'll be number 2 final.
V1.
A 1 mile final, runway 7 right, touch and go.
Number 2, clear touch and go for 7
V2.
right, land, looking for traffic errors on 142.
Positive rate.
It's Cessna 8 Echo Romeo, maintain by separation from departing citation, caution weight trimless, maintain 304, runway 7 right, clear touch and go.
Flight level change, 200.
Right, departing citation is site Echo Romeo.
And 200 is...
That's on 142, did you have a citation departing site?
Let's go flaps set.
Negative, they were
Flaps coming up.
we couldn't see them there.
I got that traffic on our left.
142, in that case, extend down for weight turbulence. I'm going to put you behind a Meridian, looks like.
That's 3 before making the time.
Yeah, it's a Meridian.
Roger that.
Citation 0 Papa Bravo, no traffic just north of you. Contact Phoenix departure went to 0.7, safe flight.
20.7, traffic reflector, thanks for your help.
Over 3,000.
Yep.
I had him inside.
07577, contact first, 124.9er.
Yep, turn left, sounds good.
Contact 124.9, Aero 7577. Citation 0, Papa Bravo, 3,800, climbing 5,000, Deer Valley 3, departure.
Region 560, Papa Bravo, Phoenix departure, radar contact, fly heading 360, 360, climb and maintain 7,000.
360 is 7,000, 0, Papa Bravo.
I'm power set. I see 360 in there. Alright, we're cruise 320.
Sounds good.
What do you want for breakfast?
Oh man, I am hungry. American breakfast today.
An American breakfast? So if you're in America, you're always going to get
like an American breakfast today. We're doing
pancakes.
American breakfast.
With a lot of syrup, a lot of chocolate.
Yeah, I want the same breakfast you would give to kind of like a 10-year-old child.
Oh, okay.
That type of American breakfast, but I want that, and I think I want pancakes, syrup. Honestly, pancakes and syrup. Blueberry pancakes.
Blueberry. Say that again?
Blueberry.
What are you saying?
Blueberry.
7630.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
You're saying blueberry. Blueberry. It's a berry, like strawberry.
Yeah, but we say it BLU. BRY.
Everybody else seems to hear me fine. Might want to have the radio checked out.
You don't need that extra. That extra E is just the extra E and R are waste.
Yeah, we've had.
It's additional. You're making it more complicated.
Oh my god.
Just accept the blueberry.
341 contact.
Blueberry pancakes with syrup. Well, that's kind of what I fancy. I really do.
You see it.
Maybe some of that butter that looks like ice cream. You know the one?
The whipped one.
Yeah, and it's on that.
Alright, weather going into LAX. I want the weather. As of 15 minutes ago, we got overcast at 4, visibility 3, and some mist.
2177, traffic 1 o'clock, about 5 miles westbound 340, number.
D8 is reporting the same thing. 3 statute miles, broken, overcast of 400 feet, temp 1817, so that's that close dew point spread we're seeing. As far as the TAF goes, we're landing around 9, broken at 7. And 5 statute mile visibility, which this ILS will get us down to a DA of 304, which is 200 feet above. But the big thing's the visibility. What do we need for that? An RVR of 18, half mile. Okay, yeah, we're plenty fine.
Yeah, we should be fine with that.
Awesome. Yeah, we got to brief all our 900 points here.
Yeah, I know.
American 2177.
So after Seaview, then Crane, Torak, Dynamo, Fueler, Gate, Hyundai, GG, and then runway 25 left.
Yes, that's
American
correct.
373, code amendment route.
Alright, let's have a look.
Citation 560, Papa Bravo, Latar, wind calm, runway 25 left for the land.
Clear the land, 25 left, 0 Papa Bravo.
Start at 200, we'll go flaps approach.
So smooth.
At 200, let's go flaps approach.
Yep. Coming in.
Delta 2085 of Juliet, hold short, runway 25 right.
Approach. That's 180. Looking good. Waiting on glide slope.
Roger that, our altitude's going to capture for just a second, and the glide slope's going to come in. Let's go flaps to land.
Flaps to land coming in.
Yep. And you can roll.
Flaps selected, 2000 coming in on the altitude. 2000 selected for mist.
I know we're past GG and we're slowing to our approach speed.
In good shape.
Big Sharp 1068, contact SoCal departure.
Departure, Big Sharp 1068.
I was 131 Alpha, wind calm, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff, guys. 131 out.
Down.
American 12, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Line up wait, 25 right, American 12.
American 12, wind calm, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, clear for takeoff, 25 right, American 12.
Alright, 1,000 feet.
1,000 feet.
And a 1416, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Line up wait, 25 right,
Speed's good. Descent looks good. On glide slope. And I'm looking for the ground.
Got 500 to minimums.
Los Angeles, sorry, 1596, ILS, 25 left.
Go ground
Contact.
contact.
On the Embraer over the marker, wind calm, runway 25 left, clear to land.
400 to minimums.
25 left, clear to land, 1596.
Seeing more ground, looking for the runway now.
300 to minimums.
I got runway inside.
Runway in sight. I see the runway. 200 to minimums.
Looking good, runway's clear. Autopilot's away, AP's away.
American 12, contact SoCal departure.
And that is the full landing checklist complete.
On approach.
Minimums.
We're continuing on a visual. On ref.
Good. 20. 10.
Nice. Speed brakes out. Boards out.
Yep.
6 slides.
6 slides. Slowing.
And 65.
And 60 knots.
Citation 0, Papa Bravo 2 left, turned it Alpha 7 and taxi to parking.
Left on Alpha 7 and taxi to park. Thanks so much, Papa.
Easy taxi. Beautiful. All right, board down. Lights down after landing. Checklist.
All right, and I'll get this tidied up.
Two left turn turns here.
And taxi to park.
Wonderful. Good stuff, Luke.
Great work. Now what about that breakfast?
Flight call 1828.
All right, we made it to Victoria, or Links at Victoria? It is as advertised. This place sucks. The fairway is literally dirt. Par 5, I think 483 yards. I've got driver in hand. First swing of the day. Let's see how this goes. No warm up whatsoever. That's straight, didn't draw, but I don't even think you can call that a fairway.
Fairway dirt, man.
That'll play. I hit that Sotoy. Yeah, that'll play. Just right of the cart path, or left of the cart path. Well, hole 1, first thoughts.
I think there's a good line. I think the whole thing is, I mean, truthfully, I'm still trying to figure out where the fairway begins. If I'm being honest with you, I don't know where the fairway is. So,
This course is amazing. This is the fairway. All right, your ball hit the one piece of grass, and then
I think I'm
rolled
actually on the
somewhere.
grass.
I think you're on the cart path. Oh,
Is this me?
this is you.
This is me. Useful.
All right, we're 213. I miraculously found a way, find the only piece of grass out here. Dude, they're like, this is break and ankle central. 216 yards, a little downwind. I got 6 iron. I'm gonna try to draw one in there. Oh, it drew, but it's bad. Sit, sit. Oh no, Luke. Forgot his club head. Middle of the fairway, 200 yards out. Oh wow, you hit that really well. Little right? Nice.
It's near a bunker, but it doesn't feel like a penalty because the entire course is uphill.
I mean, I feel like I'm go-kart racing.
It's really muddy. This is like,
I've never seen a course like this. And the greens actually look fantastic. I'm not lying. Like the greens look great. It's everything else.
mushrooms. Just some mushrooms growing, just in case. Driving range, and every range is, you know, it's the ones that have been like played on over and over again. This course is that.
Oh, I 100% agree. It's gonna work.
That's out.
You're out. Got 56 here. This is just a touch shot. The greens look great. I don't know if they're very receptive, but
The greens look great.
greens look really nice. So let's see if they can be nice to me today. If not, it's going to be a long day. Oh my gosh. Stand by. Oh my God. That'll work. On the green. The greens are really pure. Go in. Woo. It's not bad.
The flag doesn't come out.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Nope, that's the whole hole. That's it.
For par here. Greens look great. It's just that looks terrible. This is wild. This looks pretty straight to me. Oh! All right. Got this for bogey now. That's just abysmal. Good bogey. All right, just for the record for everybody, I'm trying to be even. I want to be a scratch golfer, that's my goal. Luke is on the quest to
I'm gonna break 100.
break 100. So that's
Consistently can break 100.
all right, hole 2, par 4, 374. Driver in hand, little dog leg left. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna take it right over these trees, Luke. Oh, that's crushed. Yeah, that should be good.
Yeah, actually.
Did it hit the tree?
Yeah, it went. No, it went.
That's a good shot. Started over the trees, moving over to the fairway. If you call it a fairway. 200 yards out. Again, you found the dirt patch. Oh, that'll work. Run up there. Run. It's fine.
It's fine.
120 out. Big bunker in the front. I've got 56. Standing right on a sprinkler head. Hang on, sucks. Oh, that's so good. Be the number. Be the number. Oh,
That's a really nice shot.
71 yards. What club you got here, Luke? It's the first time you've been in the grass, I think.
This is the first time on this entire course I've been in the grass, including the first tee box.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that looks nice. All over it. Be the number. Woo!
Nice.
Good shot. Man, we got 2 good shots here.
I know, this is actually quite a nice shot.
Do it. Oh.
So close.
Good bogey.
All right, bogey.
For birdie. Dude, there was a fly that landed on my ball as soon as I hit that. That's embarrassing. For par. Ah, dude, I wanted that so bad, Luke. So I needed that birdie. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. Hole 3, 284 yards. I've got my 4-wood. See what we can do with this. Bunkers kind of all over the place. Really nowhere good to land it other than on the green. Oh, I love that. Get up there. Run up there. Run up there. I tried to fade it and then it just stuck.
That was nice.
I kind of almost missed that ball though. It's okay. It's fine. Oh, get around. Hey, you're at least in some grass. You know what I find very ironic, Luke? What is he mowing?
He just does that bit, and then he'll turn around and do the same thing. It grows very quickly. But
That squirrel was kind of disruptive a little bit.
I put too much effort into trying to drive this straight, and just ended up blasting it. I mean, it's still actually, it could be worse. It could be not any grass again. It could be worse. It could be anywhere else on the fairway.
Truly, like you're in the rough and it's better than being in the fairway.
I'm like, oh, I'll take this.
This is great. 205 yards. You know what's crazy? You made it back to the fairway. And right in the middle of the dirt.
It's confusing because I don't know which part I'd rather be in.
A little right, but it's going to work. Get over the bunker. Nice. Very nice. Let me just get my divot fixer and fix your...
Oh, you should definitely fix that divot. I wouldn't want anyone to have to play it rough.
Yeah, I'm very proud of it. And I found some grass, which is actually unbelievable. This is kind of a tough chip. Can't really see it, but this green slopes way downhill. Gotta get it up and let it run. Just like that. Oh, Luke. Oh, Luke. We got another birdie putt. I'll probably miss it, though.
So this is by no means the best course, but it's definitely a memorable course because you will not forget playing here in a hurry.
That was very nice, Luke. Big bogey putt.
Way too much. It's also uphill.
Please no flies get on my ball. Uphill.
No way to let this happen. And try that again. This is the one.
I hope that's the one. I don't think I've ever seen that bad, Luke. That was crazy. A birdie putt that does a 180 and almost comes back to your feet.
It's an excellent shot. It's almost like you planned.
If I could buy a birdie, that'd be great. What is this? What is this next hole? What are we looking at? Tell you what it is. It's a par 4, 392 yards. Looks like a dogleg right. Looks pretty playable. Try to fade this in. Oh, that's so good. I have no idea what's over there, but that's middle of the fairway, so probably right in the dirt. That's a great looking shot, Luke. Just get down. Get in that grass.
There you go, in the grass.
In the grass.
It's a challenge, and if you were walking this course, you would definitely break your ankle. You know? Oh, you would definitely break your ankle. Definitely. At some point. Might not happen.
Luke 220, 6 iron.
Straight down the middle.
That's really good, Luke. Oh, what a terrible kick.
It's alright. It's still on the journey.
I didn't video it, but here's my divot. I hit short of the green. It's 80 yards, took a 56. And I was trying to fix the divot.
You can't do a good thing.
Take care of the course, but there's nothing in here.
You can't do a good thing.
Because I think they just know no one's...
There's none.
There's no grass out here. 52 yards away, going with the 58. Actually found some grass. Oh, go ball. All right, Luke, for bogey. That's a great looking putt. What is on your ball?
I think if the ball wasn't covered in mud.
Beautiful. Another birdie opportunity on the green, uphill. Go, go. You got to hit it. Got to hit the weight room, man. Another par, potentially.
Nice.
Just can't get a birdie. Par 3, finally, 124 yards, a little bit into the wind. Got a 50 degree. Let's get one close. Oh, be it. It needs to go. Just short.
Roll back.
Dude, that zipped back. Holy smokes.
It did come back pretty quick.
Dang. Oh, that looks good. Get over the bunker. Get over the bunker.
Straight in the bunker. Next time with the hole.
Oh, ooh, it's kind of nice out there.
It is.
I like LA.
I like LA too.
Good. This golf course, no, but
This
LA.
course, I mean, I don't want to be harsh on this course because I think overall.
Oh, I do. I absolutely do. This course sucks.
In terms of courses, it is not the best.
No.
I absolutely 100% agree.
It's a nice looking green. I hit there and rolled all the way back. So, unfortunate. Oh my gosh, Luke. What was that?
Told you, the hole in
Hey, keep, go. This is a nice course. We got to rake that up. Oh, that's so funny. Jett, hit the gym. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That sucks. For par, keep that par train going. Bang! Good catch, hole. Right in the heart. Great putt. Par 5, 530 yards. We got driver. Kind of wind's at our back here now. I feel like if you get this anywhere in the fairway, it's going to roll a mile, so that's what we're going to try to do.
Nice. Wow, that was really straight.
That's exactly what we're trying to do. Hopefully that rolls a mile. That could be 400 yards.
That one, that was really. Oh man.
Hang on, ball. It's going to the right.
Wait.
Yeah.
I see where it is.
Yeah, you're good. I mean, just driving this is a feat in itself. It's crazy.
I'm just going to get over this hump right here and back on a straight line because I think the shot's not going to be great because this is super hard. And I also don't want to wreck clubs on it, so because there's literally a rock behind it. So let's just get it forward.
Oh, wow.
Onto the grass.
You're lucky. This is horrendous. I don't even know where I went. I think I'm up here away.
This is easily the worst golf course.
In the middle of the fairway. There's just one patch of grass. Okay, yours
Oh, yeah.
went...
I'm there. I'm right there.
Wow, just on the edge of the
Exactly
bunker.
where I need to be, like I planned. So what I like about this is you not only do you have a bunker, but you also have a water feature in a bunker.
It's a whole ecosystem.
You get both. There are frogs currently growing in there. There are new life forms currently developing on this course.
All right, 230, 6-iron, just getting it in play.
I just need to get up there.
Good Lord, Luke. A little left to right. I think you're going to be in some grass, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, great shot.
All right, I'm in the grass.
Dude, I'm going to slip and hurt myself.
220, this is when you do it.
Dude, we're not going to be able to fly back. How'd you hurt yourself?
Well, I broke my ankle on this swamp course we played.
In the middle of the fairway. Like,
Did you
this
say golf
went
course?
300
No,
plus.
swamp course.
And I'm just here. All right, let's just run it up there.
Nice.
I think I'm in that bunker on the right side, but I really like that shot.
You definitely hit an animal which is now running across.
Oh no.
There's some like chicken type creature. It wasn't a squirrel, it looked like a chicken, but I think you may have hit a chicken.
Oh no.
I'm just letting you know.
Dang it. Go. Get up. Yeah, just on the edge.
It's fine.
Good shot.
That's fine. We'll take that.
Yeah.
I don't even know what shot that was. What's the minimum maneuvering? What's the maneuvering speed of this golf cart?
It's not good. Not good at all.
Squirrel type creature.
All right, shot 3. Let's make this for eagle.
Shot
That'd
3
be
looking
really
good.
Cool. I got a 60-degree here, up and over the bunker. Nice and easy. Oh, get over.
Yeah.
Wow. That was ugly. That was ugly.
It went over though.
Went over though.
That's all that matters. Oof.
Right to left. Got lucky here, so need to capitalize. Oh my
Whoa.
gosh. Dude, I'm just
That was very
burning
close.
these edges. Another par, just on the par train.
That was...
Oh, the early walk.
They didn't get it that time. Well, that's, what was that, 4 over? 3
You were
over.
there for par. Then there.
Yeah.
That was your bogey shot.
Yep.
That was your double.
Yep.
Triple.
Triple. That's what I intended to do in the first place.
Par 4, 408 yards. I got driver, straight headwind. Just gonna aim it out there. Let it roll. Kind of low stinger here. You know what's surprising? Like, the tee boxes are relatively nice.
Tee boxes are really nice.
It's that.
Well, it's like they've done, we'll get this right, get the end right, the middle,
Oh, it's drawn.
Oh,
Oh, that may be in the bunker.
I see it. You're actually good.
Yeah, that's fine.
I mean, I think it landed on a patch of grass.
Just left. Oh, it's going right.
It is.
Sit.
That was really bad.
Yeah, you're just right.
Bad slice. Oh,
Ooh.
man.
You may be on the green, just on the wrong green.
It's all right. With a 6.
Get a good bounce, get a good roll. Don't hit the dog. Oh, the tree.
It's fine. It's fine.
We got 175. We're going to go 8 iron here. Get right. Get right. That's going left. That's going to be in that bunker. Oh, no, it's over the bunker. Oh, that was a bad shot. Oh, dang it. That's not terrible.
Could be worse.
I mean, I'm just left of the green and in Salt Lake City.
In Salt Lake City.
In Salt Lake City. You're just...
The Great Salt Lake.
What? Dude, I'm going to blade this so bad. That's honestly as good as I could hit it. That's going to be really nice, actually. That's really good, Luke.
Great.
Nice shot. For par. A little right to left. Need this to go in. Oh, Jett, hit the weight room.
That was
Dude, that's leaving them all
so
short.
close.
You know what they say? You miss 100% of the shots you leave short, Luke. What a putt.
That's it.
What a putt.
Excellent.
Burrito. How's the burrito? Is it good because it's been sitting there for the past 2.5 hours? Pretty greasy. Oh, another ball cleaner. No, we're going to be using that. Absolutely. You gotta start off back over, Luke.
Like, come on. It's so clean.
Oh my god.
This ball hasn't been... This course does not leave you with clean balls.
Par 3, 174 or 5. Winds at our back. I'm gonna go a 9 here, Luke.
Good
Oh, I
shot.
love it's drawing in there. Be good. Yeah. Dude, that's spinning back. Oh my gosh. That's twice now.
I'm going to aim on the right-hand side.
No, you need to aim on the left-hand side. Just shot out to the right a little bit.
Oh,
Oh, you're fine.
not what I want, but also
Oh my gosh.
it's fine.
On the green, pin high. That'll do.
I'll take that. Miss hit. I mean, this is great.
Yeah. Birdie opportunity.
This is a nice little green.
There we go. There we go. Stay up. Oh.
Nice.
Go ball. Go
Ugh.
ball. Go ball. Oh,
I
that's fine.
underestimated that. I thought a little.
Oh. Good putt.
Right. So that was 2 over. Oh man.
That just. Freaking counting that. Oh my gosh, that
It's like-
sucks. Last hole, we got a par 4, 382 yards.
Now we even have the fairway's even worse. The tee box is even worse now.
Yeah, tee box.
Now we're moving into
really
bad tee
tee
box and everything. The whole thing is just
Wind just right at our face.
yeah.
Ripping. Oh, that's so good. Just right up the middle.
It was nice.
Oh, dude, I just hit a piece of dirt and just stopped. Gah. That's just so frustrating. This course is so frustrating. Oh, stay. Oh,
no.
that ball's gone. Oh, no, you're just on the other fairway.
It's fine.
Way
I can
right.
still make progress that way.
Yeah, you're going forward.
Not ideal.
Yeah, that's a good shot.
Nice.
Great shot, Luke.
Yeah, we're back in.
How far do you got?
65.
65, wind coming at us. We're gonna hit a nice 56. I love being in the middle of the fairway and just in whatever this crap is.
Actually, before you take that, 107.
All right, 107. That
Yeah.
sounds better. Get left, get left, get a good kick. Get a good kick. Yeah, roll down. Nice.
Nice.
Dude, you want to destroy some clubs, come play this course.
This
Oh, straight up, little left. Sit. Nice, yeah, on the
Fine.
edge. Good
Fine.
shot, Luke.
came out to the left a little bit, but that's fine.
I got 60. That'll do.
That's nice.
Thought it'd break a little more to the left, but obviously didn't. Oh, that's really nice, Luke. Get up the hill. Oh, no. I'll pull it for
This
you.
is going in. One shot.
Par. This looks pretty straight. Need to make this.
Nice.
I thought that was going to lip out. Thought it was going to lip out. Good par.
I got that instead. All right.
Good putt. Good stuff, Luke.
All right.
All right. Tallying it up, I shot a 39, 3 over. Luke,
Shot an excellent 57. A lot over.
21.
21 over. It's good.
All in all, though, I would
good
say
round.
this course is definitely the worst.
That's the excuse I'm going to use, is that this is the worst course ever. It challenges you in ways that other courses do not challenge you. But overall, I actually like playing it. I would play this again because I think it's hard.
That's a hot take.
It's hard.
That's a hot
It's
take.
hard to do well on it. That's the thing.
It is hard to do well. The greens are very nice, but
Because I've shot a lot better than that, more consistently.
Yeah.
So playing this, actually, it's just all rough. The whole thing is rough.
it is very rough.
I think it'll actually make you a better golfer if you played this a lot, because once you get on something that's really nice, it would actually be.
Yeah, to put it in airplane terms, this was like severe turbulence, but once you finish getting through it, you're like, you know what? We did that.
You go, I need a beer.
I need a beer. Oh my
But
god.
not do that again.
All right, well, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Airways to Fairways.
Bye.
Probably be going somewhere fun next.